Uy, namula yung mukha ng anak mo.
What?
Namula ba yan o lipstick?
Napula.
Bakit tanga, partner? Ayan, namula sobrang igilan yung anak mo. Ayan.
Oh wow, nice. The light is there.
Moi, la nouvelle amie. Alors que vous habitez. Ben non, t'es où? En France, c'est toujours à Bordeaux? Enfin, à Bordeaux? J'habite à Paris. T'es à Paris? Oui, il est à l'eau.
Oh, I get the fish here. You have no fish. I get the all fish here. No.
Excuse me, madam.
Want some chicken?
I'm going
I got the chicken.
I'm going to... Bon, on va aller faire un avis. 4 ans dans la boîte.
On sait chez moi.
Let Justin taste that.
We got that certification.
Come on. You are not gonna die with the taste. Try it. See.
Try it!
Try a little.
Ano mga gutom din nagsasalita? Gutom talaga? Say something, say something!
No, we're hungry.
You're hungry? Ha? Crackers.
Thank you,
At
Tita
dyan, ano
Janet.
yung nag-eting, etting? Carrot etting, vegetable. Curry, don't sleep.